अस्सलामुअलैकुम। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिक्वेस्ट है काइंडली जस्ट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल ताकि आपको अपकमिंग जितनी भी वीडियोस हैं वो रेगुलरली मिलती रहें. Okay, now it's the holiday homework grade 1 English. It's your page number 8, two of a kind. It's about your parts of body. Just read this page, whole page. It's very easy. Okay, now on this page, page number 9, what you have to do, you have to just match the names of the parts of body with the picture. Like ears, just match with this, feet, eyes and hands. Second part, B part, here you have to just color the pictures and read the word. Okay, now page number 10, this is the labeled picture. Here all the names are written here, parts of body, and here in the bottom here you have to just circle the parts of body, names of the parts of body. Like here, eye here with my ear, here just circle ear. Number 2, wash your hands, hands, it's a part of body, just circle it. I hurt my toe, circle it. My nose helps me smell, circle nose. Now it's your page number 11. Here it's the grammar portion. It's noun. What is noun? Noun are the naming words. They name people, animals and places. Okay, here noun has two kinds, two parts. It's common noun. Common nouns are the names of everything, everyday thing. Sorry, I am a girl, girl is a common noun. I have a cat, cat is a common noun. Like cat, it can be any cat, any girl, particularly there's no name mentioned here. Okay, next is proper noun. Proper noun, proper nouns are the names of particular people, places, things. They always begin with the capital letter. Like if you name this girl, it will become a proper noun. Okay, now put the words below in the correct group, common noun and proper noun. Here's a list of words, and simple what you have to do, you have to just sort out the things, like if it lies in the common noun or proper noun. Like Alice, it's a name of a girl. Like here we have particularly mentioned the name, so this is proper noun. Boy, it can be any boy, it's common. Tree, common noun. May, month of a name, particular month, it's proper noun. Flower, it can be any flower, simply write it here in this column. Then it's Japan, proper noun, name of a country, so you will write it here under proper noun. Okay, see the next page here. Nouns can be singular or plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Simply, if we're talking about one thing, this means we're talking about a singular thing, and if we're talking about the thing which is number more than one, simply it's plural. My eye is red. Eye, it's talking about one eye, so eye is singular. I hurt my finger. One finger, it's singular. He hops on one foot. Hopping on one foot, talking about one foot, so this is singular. And here, my hands are cold. Hands, talking about, not talking about one hand, it's hands, so this is plural. I have 10 fingers. 10 fingers. See, I jump and land on my feet, talking about feet, 2 feet. Feet is a plural word. Simple what we do, we put s in the end of this noun. Like ear, if you put s in the end, ears, it will become a plural word. And like this. Okay, now look here at this page. Read the words below. They begin with the sh sound, like shape, shape, sheep, sheep, ship, ship, shirt, shirt, shoe, shop, like this. Okay, now read the words below. Here sh sound comes in end. brush, brush, dish, dish, fish, wash. Sh sound is coming in the end of the word. Now here you have to fill the missing letters in the words below. Sh sound here, S-H-O-E, shoe, shirt, brush sound comes in the end, brush, fish. Done.